I'm Jada Simone and it's time to vlog. Hi guys, so today is Thursday, November 14th, 2019. Me and Jordan are currently watching The Office. But she is going to work today from 5 to 9. So after she goes to work, I'm gonna watch Friends, but hey guys, so it is like 4:40 something, probably 4:50 now. As you can tell, we are in the car. We're dropping off Jordan to work. Yeah, we're just stopping to get some gas right now. Her job is like right up the hill.
Wait, look, vlog. What about?
We can't hear nothing.
Wait.
Yes, sir!
Why? It's fine. Anyway, but yeah,
There's a plane.
yeah, we'll see. Alright guys, so we just got a red velvet train wreck, which is just like ice cream. Then they have like whatever flavor, or like candies or whatever you want chopped up in there. So it was red velvet. But yeah,
It's like custom made soft serve.
Right. Alright, I'm gonna do taste test.
That's good.
Yes, I taste the that's good, y'all. Come Dairy Depot. For dinner, guys, I'm having stir fry and the same juice I was drinking earlier today. And I'm watching The Matrix on Netflix, so see you guys later. Hi guys, so it's the next day, and like usual, I never ended the vlog, so I'm coming up here to end it now. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Asta Pasta.